Hey, what's up, Polygon coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Polygon price will pumps up, and definitely, my friend, after a huge pump, they will very badly dump. So, therefore, my friend, I'm really sorry for this bad news. But remember, this is not bad news because after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So, therefore, I hope, my friends, too, after this short fails, they will take a very huge jump. As just and only as you can see, your last 7 days chart results. So, in last 7 days, you can see they will change occurring positive completely. As you can see here, 21.74% the price is increased now. So therefore you can see here the price is pumped. You can see here 1.62 USD dollar. This is really huge jump. But after this, you can see the current price 1.46 USD dollar. So the current price is very less than from highest price. This does mean to the price is dumps down. And as you can see, my friend, after a dump they will pump up. So therefore you can see they will just take a short dump, but after that they will again pump up. So therefore this is temporary pump and temporary dump. Kindly holders, you will never need to my friend starting selling, because some holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends, and they will also personally message me to we are going to sell. For that I will make this video, my friends, for all of you to understand. So remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you please research personally, because my brother, I cannot make any financial video. My friends, this time you can see the Polygon price after a dump pumps up. So my friends, any coin will fails down for a short time. So there is, my friends, two reasons. When a short time investor are starting selling, and after a huge jump they will dumps down. So this is the two big reasons, my friend. And my friend, my prediction is 100% going positive. I hope, my friends, to Polygon price will be increasing in upcoming days, but for that you will need to hold down. So see you next time, my all viewers, my subscriber. Please hold down and don't starting selling, and wait for the end of month. I hope to they will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.